welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Kaamdhenu scheme limit goes up to 60,000 rupees. Insurance cover up to 4 lakhs per family. Sub-district hospital in South Goa will be a priority. Cracks within Congress party wide open. GPCC president says, "I'm Congress, not Rani." Out of 9 MLAs, only Alexio Reginaldo attends protest. Ebola disease outbreak creates panic all over globe. MLAs too raised the issue in assembly. Caution state to be alert. Banks ready to waive off interest worth 40 crore rupees for mining dependents. Those who pay principal will get subsidy. Others will not. Scheme by 18th. And Goa Rugby Football Union starts promoting rugby with renewed vigour. Open for all touch rugby camp at Miramar Beach on Saturday. And now the news in detail. Government will extend the insurance capacity up to 4 lakh rupees per family now. New insurance scheme will be tendered soon. Premier's Bima Yojana was scrapped by incumbent government and MLAs had raised apprehensions about absence of a scheme. Health Minister also admitted that GMC was hit by water and power shortage. He also declared to raise the limit of Kaamdhenu Yojana up to 60,000 rupees. Dairy farmer will henceforth get a liberty of buying cows of his choice and place. Prudent had exposed scam in Kaamdhenu scheme on Sunday.
पंचायत इलेक्शन्स जे आसा ती तुम्ही पार्टी लेवलाचेर घेवपाचे आसा म्हणून एक वायट पायंडो जातलो.
हॉस्पिटल आमकां वयची पडटा. खूब फावटी थिंग पेशंट सकल आमी पळयतात म्हणजे जागून असले कारणांनी.
The administration of the GMC has lost its character. That whether you have an audit of 108 or the lucky Goa dairy एक नवी डेअरी हाडले म्हणून कांय प्रॉब्लेम जायना पण आसा ती डेअरी मेंटेनय करची पडटली. आमचो जर चड प्रमाणात दुधाचो व्यवसाय हे करतलो जर पैदा जाल्ले हांगाच जन्मान आयिल्ले जे काफ आसतले पाडूक आसतले हांचे जर बरे तरेन आमी कुयदाद घेतली जर जाय जाल्यार बऱ्यो गायो जांकां इम्युनिटी चड आसतली दुयेंसां चड जावची ना त्या बरोबर आमची यील्ड चड मेळटली अशी जनावरां तयार करपाची आमची क्षमता आसपाक जाय.
स्पीकर सर, साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल 800 बेडां वयले आमी 500चेर लिमीट करपाचें ठरयलें. म्हाका दिसता हाचेर निर्णय घेवपाक थोडो वेळ लागलो. हांवें इंडिपेंडंट सुपर स्पेशालिटी ब्लॉक बांदपा खातीर केंद्र सरकारान 150 आनी टर्शरी कॅन्सर केअर सेंटर बांदपा खातीर 45 कोटी आमकां दिवपाचे मंजूर केल्ले आसात ऑन 75-25 बेसीस. नवीन टीबी हॉस्पिटल हे जीएमसीच्या कॅम्पसांत बांदपाचेच आसात आनी 40,000 पर्यंतच्या गायेक सरकार जनरल लोकांक 75% सबसिडी दिता. 40,000चो लिमीट क्रॉस करून
Rift within the Congress is now wide and open. GPCC President John Fernandez has openly said he is the Congress, not Rani. Party held a morcha on assembly, raising 27-point charge sheet against Parrikar-led government. MLA Alexio Reginaldo participated in the morcha, but other 8 did not turn up. GPCC submitted copy of the charge sheet to the governor and speaker of the assembly, but not to the leader of opposition, Pratap Singh Rani.
Rani, see, I am the party. Rani is not the party. I am the party. This is the party.
He is opposition leader.
Now you have to argue with me. I can come with a debate with you with my constitution. When I say something, I mean it. This is the party. The state party leadership sits here.
Congress party led a morcha to the state assembly, which witnessed sole MLA Alexio Reginald's presence.
तुम्ही उलयता बीजेपीचे. This is a Congress party. समजलें? You cannot compare a woman to a man. You are making a big mistake. This is a Congress party. सगळ्यांक आपयले आमी. All the MLAs are members of the PCC. All of them are invited.
Party has raised 27 points in a charge sheet against the state government. Congress delegation submitted the charge sheet copy to the Goa Governor Om Prakash Kohli and Speaker of Assembly Rajendra Arlikar, but not its leader in the Assembly Pratap Singh Rane.
Leader of opposition is part of my party. Why should I give him?
Through him you were supposed to give,
No.
Through speaker.
Why we have to go through him? We can directly approach. Our vice president has taken a copy, who is the MLA, Mr. Reginaldo Lorenzo. हांवें गव्हर्नराकूय चीट बरयल्या आनी तांकां सांगलां जो शब्द आसा थंय हिंदू राष्ट्र which is unconstitutional should not go on the record.
It took 2.5 years for Congress party to stage a morcha against the government. But due to rift between the Congress leaders and its MLAs, result the party in opposition with its 9 MLAs in the assembly could gather hardly 100 and odd people for the morcha and sole MLA's presence. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. World Health Organization has declared Ebola disease as an international emergency. Ebola is creating havoc in Africa with over 800 dead due to its outbreak. This disease is highly viral and more fatal than HIV. There are not even 10% chances of survival for Ebola patients. Ebola epidemics is spreading all over the world and a strict check is conducted at various airports. Pratap Singh Rane and Vijay Sardesai too raised alarm in the State Assembly and asked the government to take precautionary steps.
What are you doing about Ebola disease with so many fellows coming from Nigeria and other places? If it comes here, our people will die like flies.
गोयचो सरकार प्रिपेर्ड आहा काय कितें इंटरनॅशनल डेस्टिनेशन हांगा कालूच एक नायजेरियनाक तुमचे नॉर्थ गोवान ड्रग्स विकतना धरला चीफ मिनिस्टरान खूबदां सांगिल्लें आहा की नायजेरियनाचे लास्ट आफ्टर दे कम दे कॅनॉट बी ट्रेस्ड ते नाच जातात येता ना जाता पार्रा येता पार्रा ना जातात
तो संसर्गान जायना तर अशा मनशाचे इन्फेक्टेड मनशाचे रक्त दुसऱ्याक लागले जाल्यारूच तो जाता त्यामुळे काळजी कितें घेवंक जाय ही आमकां कळटा त्यामुळे एक म्हणजे त्या मनशाक जातकीर ताच्यो आरबीसीज फुटतात त्याचे ब्लिडिंग जाता सगळ्या वाटेन नाकांसून कानांसून इवन स्किनी वयल्यान सुद्दां आणि त्यामुळे अशा मनशाक आयसोलेट करप म्हणजे इन्फेक्शन जाल्ल्यातले 50% लोक मेल्ले आसात थंयसर कोणाकूच खंयच्या मनशाचो दुबाव आसा फॉरेनासून आयला आणि खास करून आफ्रिकन देशांतसून जर आयिल्लो आसा जाल्यार अशा मनशाक 21 दीस ताका पयस दवरचो संसर्ग पद्दतीन जातात तसो हो जायना हेची सादारणपणे लक्षणां अशीं आसात सडन फिवर येता जोर येता इंटेन्स विकनेस येता संडास जाता आनी रक्तां वेगळ्या वेगळ्या भागांतसून वतात म्हणजे घरांत जोर आयलो एकट्याक जाल्यार दुसऱ्याक येता तिसऱ्याक येता तसो हो प्रकार ना पेशंटाचो जो रक्ताचो जो निचरो जाता तो जर रक्तस्त्राव जर आपल्याक लावन घेवंक ना जाल्यार कोणाक तेची लागण जायना खंयच्याय मनशा बद्दल दुबाव आयलो आनी आरोग्य खात्याच्या लक्षांत हाडून दिवचे आमी ताका आयसोलेशन वॉर्डांतूय जाय जाल्यार 21 दीस दवरूंक हरकत ना.
At present, it is spreading over globe. Deadly Ebola has claimed more than 800 lives all over the world, majorly in African region. WHO has declared Ebola as an international emergency. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.